My name is Eric Dafa, a graphic design student. Today I'm going to work on a video tutorial on Word document, a guide for hearing impaired students. Throughout these tutorials, we will provide clear visual instructions, captions, visual aids to enhance understanding. We will also emphasize keyboard shortcuts and other techniques that can facilitate efficient document creation and editing. Here is an outline of the topics that will be covered on Microsoft Word. Introduction to Microsoft Word, document creation and formatting, working with text, insert and formatting images, page layout and design. So I'll be doing all this with the aid of a signer. So let's quickly get straight to the software that we are going to use. That is Microsoft Word. This is my computer screen, and we are going to start from where you can find your Microsoft Word on your computer. So first, you can search from the taskbar here, Word. Then it will pop up, and you select from there, or you can check the taskbar. Maybe you have pinned it there. Then you can see there is a Microsoft Word over there. Mine is Word 2013, and you can go to Windows and you scroll down to Microsoft Office 2013. Mine is 2013, so you see 2013. Then you click it and you look through. Then you can find Microsoft Word over here. So let's open it. This is Microsoft Word 2013, and this is the first interface you see when you open Microsoft Word. And this interface here, you can see so many objects here. These are all templates. These are all templates that you can use to create your own projects. You can edit it and put your info inside to create whatever you want to create. And top here too, you can see search for online templates. You can search for a template, then you download it and use it. So since it's our first time, or maybe you don't know how to create your Word document, you can click here, this blank document here, as well as, and your document have been created. And the name that they have given to this document is document 1. So if you want to change the name, you need to save the work. You can go straight to the file, save as, and you locate where you want to save the file to. Then you can change the name to Eric, or any name that you want to give to the work. So I have saved some work, so if I want to replace, I'll just click OK or click cancel and give it a name that is not on my computer, then click save. So that is how you create a document. And this interface here is called the quick toolbar, or the title bar, and here is the control buttons. And this line is called the ribbons, and here is called the document. The status bar over here, and the text area. Here is the text area, the line that is blinking, the text insertion point. This is where you can start typing whatever you want to type. Yes, so we'll go to the home, insert, design, page, reference, and the rest. If you click the home, you will see that there is a tools under the home. That's called the ribbon. The ribbon. So you will see paste, format painter, the B, I, and U underline, and where to choose your font, the font size, and the layout. Okay, so let's go straight to where you can find your font. If you click here, the font will come out, and you select from any of these fonts, whatever you want to type. You can select from these fonts, and here too you can see the font size is located here. here. Okay, so you see the B, I, and U. The B stands for bold, and the shortcut is Control B, and the I is for italic, Control I, and the U is underlined, that's Control U. So the bold is Control B, the I is Control I, the U is Control U. That's the shortcut. Control U, Control I, and the Control B. Okay, so if you click the B and you type anything, it will be bold. Whether the text are small letters or capitals, it will be bold. So if you don't want it to be bold, you can select it and you click the B, or you can select it and you click the Control B, and it will make thing. You have seen how it changes it, how the text have changed too. Okay, so you can type anything, like if he is going to school, and you select this sentence and you click Control B, you see, and you click it again, Control B again, you see how it changes it. So let's select this one and click Control I, and let's see what's happened. You see, have you seen it? This is how this I does. So when I click the U, it will underline it. Yes, this is how these tools are used for. So we are going to talk about these 3 A's here. These 3 A's. So the first A, this one, is used to increase the font of a text, any text at all. Yes, and the small one here is used to decrease it, like this. So in case you don't want to come to this section to type the size of the font that you want, like 24, and you hit enter, it will increase. At the same time, when you click here, you can select the number of the font you want. Okay, so in case you don't want to go to that process, you can use this A and this one, increase and decrease. And this A, the small A and the capital A, the capital and the small here, is used to change text from uppercase to lowercase. Like Amma is a boy. Something like Amma is a boy. This sentence is not right, but let's use it as example. So something like this, the Amma, you see a capital A and a small. So in case you want to write all of them, in case you want all the text to change to uppercase, you can go here and select uppercase, and everything will change to uppercase. You can go there too and change them to lowercase, and it will change. So you can click capitalize each word like this, and each word will start with a capital letter. So that is what the A and B, the capital A and the small a is used for. This A, this capital A here and the small a is used to change small letters into capital letters, and you can make changes to your sentence. Like you want every word to start from a capital letter, you can use that A, small a and a big A, to capitalize each word. You can use that one to change it. Okay, so this A here is also used to make effect. Like you have write something and you want to add an effect to the text. Yeah, when you select it and go there, you see you can make any changes to it. That's text effect and typography. That's what it's used for. So this A with eraser tool, anything that you have added to the text, you can use it to erase it, and it will go back to the normal size. It will clear all formatting. Whatever you have added to this text, like B and underline, when you click here, everything will go. Okay, the paragraph here too is used to align words. So this one, align left, center, right. That's align right. Okay, we are going to learn about how to import image from your computer into your Word document. So first of all, you go to insert, then you click this part, that's pictures, and you select the picture you want to import, then you click insert, then the picture will come. So when the picture appears here, you can change the format, how you want the picture to look like in your Word document. So these are all formats that you can change your picture to. See, okay, so all these can be applied to the picture that you have imported to your Word, and you can come here to check the color saturation from this part as color, and here too is a color correction. Okay, that's how you can sharpen or soften up the picture. You can do it all here. The brightness and the contrast, you can select which one you prefer, then you just click, then it's done. Okay, so you can right click the picture and you look through to find a format picture. The format picture will bring another panel. So that panel, you can see shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, 3D format, 3D rotation, artist effect. You can find all these things at format picture. That's the new panel. So you can click it, you add any effect that you want. Maybe you want transparency, you can drag this one. The more you drag, the more the edges, you see the edges will be changing. You see, okay, the size, you see the size of the edges, the blur. See? So you can use all these to make the picture that you have imported from your computer to Word, this panel to make at least some changes to the picture to make it look like how you want it. So that is how we imported the picture from a computer to, and how to correct or how to change the colors at Word, and how to do the format. Okay, so let us learn something here. These angles, after importing your picture, you can use these angles, decrease or increase the size of your picture. And this arrow here, this circle here, you can use it to either rotating the picture from left to right. You can use this circle to rotate your picture from left to right. This circle is useful. So these angles here, these 4 angles, can be used to increase or decrease a picture after you have imported it to Microsoft Word. And this line here can be used to stretch the picture or reduce its stretch. So that is what it is used for. Let's delete this picture and also learn how to create a cover page. So you go to design and you click the page borders at the end of the row, and you click the box here, select the lines. Either you want it to be straight line or dots, dashes. You select it, you come to the width, you select the size that you want. I want 1 pt, select it, I click OK, and it's done. If you want it to be 2, go to the page borders, click the box, you scroll the style down and you click the 2 here, you select the size you want, then you click OK. If you want it to be 3, you go there again, you scroll the style down, you select 3, go here, select the size you want, and you hit OK. That's how you create this borderline. After creating it and you don't want it, I will use Ctrl Z to delete it. Ctrl Z, Z, and it's gone. That's what I use. Okay, so that's how cover page is created. Let's get some tests and learn how or apply all what we have learned. So far we are going to apply all what we have learned on this test. So first, you highlight this name and click the bold. Okay, you can click the bold and the name of the board has already changed. So you highlight it, click the B, and it is changed. You highlight it and you press Ctrl B and it is done. So let's highlight this one, this here. Let's underline it by clicking U underline and clicking the bold, and it's done. Also apply it by using this panel here, and it is done. So when we hit Ctrl A on our keyboard, we can use the paragraph box to change the alignment of our text. So you can use the center and the text will change. You can use the right side and everything will change to the right side, and you can use the left side to change it back to left side. Okay, so that is how Microsoft Word works. And you can also right click, go to the font size, and you can change the font size by increasing the numbers here, and the text or your work or whatever you have typed will change. The font size will change. When you go down, and it is as normal as you typed it. So normally we use Time New Romans. That is the normal fonts that we use to type our works on Microsoft Word, and the size that you need to use is 12. Always check your font size by using 12. Okay, so that's how Microsoft Word works. Thanks for watching.